Okay, so we have reached South Goa and we are at Kolva beach, and the vibe of South Goa is actually really good compared to North Goa for us. So we are already loving it, and I will see you when we check in at our hotel. Okay, so after hunting for a lot of places to stay, hotels, I do not recommend. Please book your Airbnbs पहले से ही. Also, we got this last moment and we booked it because we already were like 5 to 6 p.m. it was. So we ended up booking this. We were really skeptical because the roads were really narrow and the houses were really old. The hotels we were checking out was not up to the mark. They were quoting 1500, 2000 during this off season, and also some luxury hotels were saying like 3000 to 4000. So we thought, why to pay this much? So we looked for Airbnbs and ended up getting this one. I will give you a tour. This is at a really nice place. Fortunately, we got it, and this is I'll show you guys. अच्छा सा. Okay, so this is where you enter. This is the washroom, and this is the kitchen's kitchen table, and here are some things, dishes, and that's it. And we get water bottle. This is my bag, bottle, key. This is the bed. This is me and that Almira. Also, they say you can like three guests are allowed. So this was for 1310 rupees. So that's pretty fine for me, I guess. Three people, 1310, really good deal during off season. Uh, Here's the TV, there's remote, window, and this outside view. We get this connecting balcony with another room, but right now no one is staying there, so it's all ours. And this is the view. It's really, really like attached with nature, and it was all worth it. We were really scared how it is gonna be, but yeah. Okay, so it's the next day and we are heading towards Palladium Beach. So we are thinking to cover Kabudarama Fort and Kabudarama Beach. So let's see what all comes in our way and what all we explore. So let's go. Okay, so we have reached Palladium Beach and this is how it looks. Okay, so we came here at Casanova, this place to eat, and the food was really good. I tried falafel with hummus and veg dim sum, and rate was regular as it is in Goa for veg food. So if you are somewhere near around Palalam Beach, you can try out this place, Casanova. Okay, so we have reached this Agonda beach and it's completely empty right now. It is similar to Palalam Beach. Those, what do we call it? That area looks completely like Agonda Beach, but it's 4 p.m. something and I'm loving the vibe. I feel like sitting here. We do have those three dogs with us to chill, and there are few people, and also we have these beachside stay kind of thing. We paid 100 rupees as parking here, and at Palalam we paid 200 rupees. So parking is a good expense for if you're coming from car. So keep that in mind. And I will see you at my next destination. Till then, enjoy this view.
Neon hums like a subtle thrill. Shadows dance on the windowsill. Concrete dreams in the glow collide. Breathe. Sol y arena, oh so bright. Baila conmigo toda la night. El ritmo suena. Can you feel? Move your body, it's so real. Vuélvete loco, don't stop now. Sigue el ritmo, I'll show you how. Fuego en el aire, burning high, feel the heat bajo el sky. Baila, baila, sin parar. Shake your body, shine like
Okay, so we reached Kabugarama Fort. We parked our car there and trekked a little and reached this Pebble beach. And this is a small beach and a really pretty beach. So if you're somewhere around, do visit here. We were looking for the sunset cliff that is going on reels and YouTube videos, but we couldn't find it. So we landed here, and also again, it's cloudy today as well. So we cannot see the sunset again properly. That I don't know what our luck is with sunsets in around beaches, and the waves are coming really high, and we are enjoying it. So yeah, let's see where we go next. Okay, so we have reached this Kaputarama beach point, and the view is one of my favorite. And we can walk on and go to the beach. But right now we are just relaxing here. So the view is really pretty. And again, we were really unlucky on the sunset part because again it's cloudy today, so cannot see the sunset again. Okay, so today we are leaving from Goa to our respective homes, and it was a bittersweet memory, and we really enjoyed in Goa. So we came here in May, and if you're also looking to come in May, you can definitely come because as it is hyped that it is very hot. We didn't personally, I didn't felt it really hot. It was good. North, south, both sides were equally good as per their places, their vibe. We stayed near Arambol in North Goa. It was really good, really peaceful, and especially the Pallium beach. It was really good. And here in South Goa, the best part was Kabudarama Sunset Cliff. But unfortunately, we didn't saw proper sunset even once. But no worries, next time. Until next time. And also the food was really good wherever we tried, even to in the streets or in restaurants or bars, everywhere the food was good. Only thing is that veg options are limited, so make sure to keep that in mind. And food is a little expensive here as compared to where we come from. So yeah, that was it. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Hope you enjoy.